Hi everyone, welcome back. Here is week 2 of my January sketchbook. I'm almost finished with this sketchbook, so I only have a few pages left, so I'll be starting a new sketchbook, a different brand, but similar size and paper texture. The first image is of a artist toy model I use. I actually have a few of them now. They're called Figma Archetype. I have a couple of female ones and a couple male ones, so I'll be doing more of those soon. What's cool about them is that they're really posable and they can do a lot of human range positions, so they can do like realistic poses, and they're also modeled realistically. Well, some of them, the couple of them have more of a anime look. I also bought a few miniature busts of classic Roman and Greek statues, so here's one of them. I don't know who this person is. There, I have about like a dozen of them. Now this image is of a child playing on a set of monkey bars. I've been trying to do some more foreshortening and perspective work, so you can see some of that here. This image is more of a classical figure pose. This is of a lady obviously sitting down with her knees up, so you can see the foreshortening of the legs and the arms and the elbows. I didn't really do her face, but yeah, this is some of the classic work you would see done during a figure drawing session. This last image is of a dark wizard. The model here, his name is Rick Niece. You can find him on Instagram as Niece Jr. That's Niecejar. He does really cool poses. He has a really expressive face. It's fantastic to use him as a muse for your art. Here he dressed as a wizard and he was holding a prop sphere that was suspended by a string on the ceiling. Not all of his work that he does poses in costume, but he does do a lot of facial expressions and different angles of his face, so it's really useful to see it capture the different expressions of a real person. Alright guys, that's it for this week. Now I'm also working on a longer project. It's the Scarlett Johansson version of Girl with a Pearl Earring. I promise I'll try to get that soon. It's more realistic, so it's taking a lot longer. See you next week. Bye.